participating in Bhavish Arts Cook with KABALI. Today we have our chief surprise chef right here. We will be giving you 3 clues throughout the cooking session, in order to guess her, who she is. But I don't think she needs any introduction. This person is very well acquainted in the Tamil and Telugu community, and throughout the session, as we give clues, I'm sure it'll be easy to guess who she is. So today's concept for cooking, we decided instead of cooking something on the stove like we always do, we end up doing, today we're going to show 2 air fryer recipes and a microwave recipe. The first air fryer recipe is going to be sponsored by my friend Arundhati, and here's my friend Geeta, and then our chief guest. Alright, let's get started.
Arundhati, tell us about ingredients.
Yeah, so here I am making corn vada. It's a good dish to make during winter. We have boiled the corn, ground it a little, added some besan, some rice flour, and then added our chopped onions, chopped capsicum, and then ginger garlic paste and salt, red chili powder if you want, and then just mixed everything up, made 2 vadas, and then put the air fryer, put it in the air fryer with a little bit of oil, sprayed oil. We are going to close it, put it on for 15 minutes.
Okay.
So it's coming up, okay.
Yep, we'll close it, put it on for 15 minutes, and then after 15 minutes we'll flip it and do it for another 5 to 7 minutes, and we should be all set. Thank you.
Looks like the vadas are ready.
Yeah.
I can't wait to taste it. It looks exactly like dal vada.
And there's no dal, only corn in it.
Yep.
Yeah.
There's only corn which gets cooked very fast. So here we go.
Oh, it looks
Wow,
yummy.
yum.
Let's try.
So good,
Crunchy.
Crunchy and perfect.
now for our second dish, let's try something dry with zucchini and eggplant.
Yum.
Yeah, I've made also a powder that goes with this side dish. It's a powder made from besan, equal amounts of besan and rice flour. To that I've added some spices, and spices like curry powder and cumin powder, jeera powder, and also some hing as a fortida. And now we mix everything, put it in the air fryer, just spray it with little oil with a pan spray also, and then add salt, and then we leave it in the air fryer for about 20 minutes, and it will turn out amazing and tasty.
Awesome.
I guess it's time to give second clue.
Yeah.
So our member, she is a good singer, part of Tirupur Girl group, as well as a member of Chimay Mission group within the tribe. Continue.
Now Geeta is adding the powder that goes into this side dish for extra taste. And Geeta, you can add some tempered mustard seeds also.
Just turn it around. All of it.
Yes. And then we can add some salt finally.
Salt to taste. Let me get you a spoon to mix everything.
Yes. Okay. A little more I will go, I think so, no? Because there's no
Little
salt
bit more?
in this here. A little more. Yes. Fine. Now you can mix everything together.
Absolutely yummy, crunchy. Perfect time for 4 o'clock hunger when it hits. Perfect snack for that.
Healthy too. Yeah.
Very yummy.
2 successful recipes. Let's move on to a dessert. This is microwave palkova recipe. This is our 3rd dish, and let's move on to it.
But before we go there, let's do another clue so that you can guess who this masked person is. Her son is a dermatologist in Rochester Hills and a very good doctor, if I may say so.
Thank you, Aru.
You're welcome.
That was condensed milk.
Go ahead. I will give.
What
Then
is
you're
this?
adding some
We
homemade
add some
yogurt.
homemade yogurt.
Why do we
About-
add the yogurt?
we added to curdle the condensed milk
Okay.
for a kova consistency.
Okay. got it.
Second step. We just microwave this for about 2 minutes.
Okay.
Now the condensed milk has curdled very well after adding the homemade yogurt. To this I'm going to add a little bit of ricotta cheese and I'm going to add a packet of Gits Kalakan mix. We'll also add the butter,
Okay.
just half a stick. Let's mix it well.
Once all the ingredients are mixed, let's microwave for 2 minutes, give it a stir, and microwave for another 2 minutes for hot and ready palkova.
Oh, this smells so delicious. Hot palkova is ready. We're going to have our reveal of our chef right now. And our chef is going to taste this and tell us how it came out. Has anyone guessed who this is? It is none other than our dear
Madhavi!
Thank you. Good.
palkova. Consistency
Looks
is good.
perfect.
Ooh.
Perfect.
Thank you for joining us today. Hope you had a wonderful time watching this video.
Bye! There. That's the second one.
Okay.
Now we'll do the chopped.
Wait, throw the eggplant. I didn't record, no?
Arre! My eggplant didn't record.
Throw.
Here we go.
There.
You-
Listen.
Jolly, 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 cook with KABALI. 1, 2, 3, 4, don't be too slow. Get ready, let's go. Bhavish Arts presents a cooking show, and KABALI is the VIP of the show. Share a recipe or just have fun. It's all put together as one. Jolly, 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 cook with KABALI. Jolly, 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 cook with KABALI. Cook with KABALI.